Problem 11, the IB is testing our knowledge of sets of numbers. And we're going to look at 2, root 3, and negative 2/3 and decide which number sets they belong to or don't belong to. On the IB exam, the information that was on the assessment details sheet that I gave you, it's copied on blue paper, will not be given to you. You will not have that information in your IB formula sheet. So let's just refresh our memory. N, the natural numbers, those are integers and also not integers, positive integers and 0. So those are the numbers 0, 1, 2, and so on. Z is a set of integers, so that will add negative numbers to our number set. Q, quotient, rational numbers. So quotient is dividing any number that can be expressed as a fraction. So those are the rational numbers. And I'm just going to have you think fraction right there. And then R are the set of real numbers. So a real number is anything except an imaginary number, and imaginary numbers are not part of the IB curriculum, so you can pretty much assume that any number that they give you will be a real number. Now let's go back and look at 2. 2 is a natural number. Sorry about that. It's an integer, and 2 could also be written as the ratio of 2 over 1, so it's also a rational number. Root 3 is an irrational number. An irrational number. It cannot be written as a ratio, it's not an integer, and it's definitely not a natural number. So we'll leave all those blank. If you don't want to leave it blank and you just want to put x's there, you will not get marked off for that. Negative 2/3 is not a natural number, and it's not an integer, but it is expressed as the ratio of an expression of ratio of 2 integers, so that is a rational number. Negative 2/3 is a rational number. Okay, a mapping diagram. I don't know why IB likes mappings, but they do. We're going to have x values, and we're going to have f of x values. And the x values they would like us to use are negative 2, 2, and 3. You're just going to plug those values into the other circle. If you don't want to calculate that, just in the essence of time, what I would do is go ahead and hit y equals. Let me clear out what I had in there from before. And you could just type that function right into your calculator. 2x squared minus 3x. Look at the table. And when x is negative 2, y is 14. When x is 2, y is 2. And when x is 3, y is 9. Now you do have to, for a mapping, map the x values to the f of x values. But that's all they're asking for right there. And then they want you to list out what the value of the range is. Remember, range are the y values. And that's it.